our 4K button! Oh, what is kamusta?
Nalipat na tas ang question.
Ang kancha. I forgot I have G ang kancha. Hello KaFam, this is Nanay and this is Claire. Welcome our channel. Welcome to our 4K vlog. Thank you, subscribers!
We decided to celebrate our 4K subscribers on YouTube by painting while answering your questions.
Yeah, we're going to make our 4K button!
Gagawa kami para souvenir namin ni Claire Lalu. Kasi we are slowly growing and we are very grateful kasi you're tuning into Nanay and Claire and sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa amin and trusting us.
Thank you for sending your questions!
Thank you! Before namin sagutin yung first question, we are going to prep first yung background para may time to dry.
What's your favorite color?
Pink and white.
Ooh, ako nga, 3 favorite color is pink, white, and blue.
Hindi ko yellow.
Oh yes, yellow. I forgot. Silly me. So nice.
Oh.
It's
Nice.
like green. I love it.
Left to right. Oh, your turn, Beth.
You like it?
Yes.
I love it.
You like the color combination?
Yes. Oh, what is kamusta?
Kamusta is how are you? Kamusta? Simple but hard question to answer. Had a hard time this April and May. That's why siguro napansin nyo na medyo naghinay-hinay kami ni Claire. I've been through something this past few weeks. So, kailangan mag-rest ni Nanay. We're going to share that in the next video soon.
Yeah.
Kamusta?
Happy?
Oh, happy? Why you're happy?
Because on the garden, it's very beautiful and I feed barak food like that.
So, she's spending a lot of time sa garden. Tinutulungan niya yung lola niya mag-garden.
Yes, I get some rocks. I like that. Lola is teaching me and how to dig. Lola is teaching me and Lola is teaching me to get a rock like that.
Yeah.
What is Ilonggo? Kita mo?
It's like they are asking for confirmation if we are really 100% pure Ilonggo from Iloilo City. And the answer is yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, we are 100% from Iloilo, mga Ilonggo kami. It's just that sa mga video namon, naghahambal kami Tagalog or English para mas maintindihan kami sa wider audience. Siguro kay Claire mahimo to sang isang ka video nga puro hiligay nun lang tanan.
Why?
Pero pero mag-practice may mo mother tongue. Kasi si Claire, pati din ako, fluent gid maghambal sang hiligay nun. May mix gid sang Tagalog or English, no?
I don't know how to speak
Hiligay nun.
Hiligay nun.
Oo, naga-practice pa kami ni Claire. Pero Ilonggo kami. Oo nga, I think the blame is on me.
Yes.
It's just ako, hindi ako makahabol sa energy ni Claire kasi may iba din akong mga trabaho. Kulang ako sa time mag-edit. Pag marunong na talaga siya, naku, araw-araw siyang may vlog.
Yes!
Hindi din biro mag-film, mag-edit, at mag-post ng mga video. So, I think the blame is on me.
Yes!
This one. Ano may kasama?
So excited! It's a big stop. Wow! Pwede man sunflower or rose. I like
Rose. Yeah.
It's like beauty and the peace like this. Tell us all the time.
Lord. So, taking one day at a time. And, syempre, I give time para din mag-rest. Syempre, it's not easy.
Nanay is working very hard.
So, yung tipong pagkatapos ng isang work, parang hindi siya day off or hindi siya break time kasi kailangan kong gawin yung isa pang work. One work after the other. Motherhood. Hindi ako magaling sa motherhood.
Yes.
Oo. Motherhood, it's like how you take care and raise a child. So, hindi, I'm not perfect. Syempre, nagagalit. Yes, I'm not perfect. May mga away-away din kami ni Claire Lulu, may galit-galit din. But I always put our needs at the top of my priority. Of course, time together. Though nakikita nyo kami lagi ni Claire sa videos, but in real life, busy din si Nanay. Yung mga vlogs like this, ito na yung time namin ni Claire na mag-spend time together and do an activity together. I'm trying to balance yung pagiging in front of the camera namin ni Claire and yung behind the camera. And of course, I always like the behind the camera. Kasi shy type ako. Si Claire talaga yung makamera talaga siya. Si Claire, pag sa camera madaldal, ayan, dun lumalabas yung personality niya.
I like to vlog because it's so much fun. It's not very hard to vlog. It's very easy to vlog. Right, Nanay?
Kay Claire.
Yes.
Easy mo pag-vlog kay Claire. I'm going to start with the flowers.
That's my favorite part. Yes.
Oo. Yeah. Especially yung mga terminologies. It's like brands, names, yung mga hindi niya pa alam na vocabulary. So, minsan, nagsasalita siya pero hindi niya alam yung word. So, tinuturo ko sa kanya kung ano yun.
Yeah.
Mga reactions niya, expressions niya, sa kanya na talaga yon. Hindi yan rehearsed. Ganyan talaga siya. Yeah. We are two-man team.
Yes.
Kami na yung nag-iisip. Usually si Claire, marami siyang naiisip na vlogs. Kaso hindi na ma-materialize kasi sickly si Nanay.
Yes.
Ako yung hindi makahabol kay Claire. Kami na yung nag-iisip, kami na yung nag-film, kami na yung nag-edit, kami na yung nag-post. Kami na lahat talaga. Wala kaming cameraman.
Yes.
Nakakapagod siya. Tiring. Is it tiring to film a vlog?
No.
No. Nai-enjoy kasi ni Claire.
Yeah.
Oh, just make a circle.
Oh gosh.
Light lang mag-hold sa cotton buds.
I like this one. KaFam, I like this rose. When I paint, I'm going to follow this. It's beautiful. Maybe that's enough.
Nalipat na tas ang question. What is it like to be only Nanay and Claire?
I forgot. Let me think. It's okay when Nanay and me are vlogging.
Kaya sinusupport ko si Claire sa vlogging kasi ito yung something that makes her feel okay
Yes.
and makes her feel happy kahit dalawa lang kami, Nanay and Claire only.
Yes.
It's okay? You
Mm-hmm.
don't feel bad?
No.
Oh, it's okay.
I like the yellow and.
Yan yung laging sinasabi ni Claire, it's okay. Wala pa kaming deep conversation about explaining to her the situation. Yun naman, but not in full details, like kung anong totoong nangyari, lahat ng nangyari. But when the time is right and yung age niya na makakaintindi talaga siya ng mas maayos. But for sure, no sugar coating. So, lagi akong realistic pagdating dyan.
Then you like it.
Ay, oo, nice. For now, wala pang masyadong tanong si Claire, but I know the time will come. She will have more questions.
You see the 4 and K. 4K.
Yung mga ganitong achievement namin ni Claire, kahit maliliit lang yan, para sa amin, malaki yan. Nagsimula kami sa walang-wala talaga. Hindi din ako active sa social media. Hindi kasi ako mas social media tao. Pero knowing that there are people who are looking forward to see more videos from us, and nag-subscribe sila and they're watching our videos, you are helping us a lot. And most importantly, you make Claire happy kasi lagi niyang tinatanong, are they watching my videos? Or are the people happy watching my videos? Lagi niyang tinatanong yun. Hindi po namin kayo kilalang lahat, but thank you for subscribing kay Nanay and Claire and for trusting us and for loving us and supporting us. Why? Lagi siyang may why question. Development stage ng mga kids, lagi silang nagtatanong like why, they're asking reasons why certain things happen. And I'm trying to answer them in the proper way or certain way that a kid like her will understand. But of course, I'm expecting more why questions in the future, and that's okay. Alcansya.
Alcansya. I forgot. I have three alcansya. I have long and a little bit long, and I have little bit short. I KaFam. When I have lots of money, I'm going to build my yellow house. I'm going to paint my house with yellow and red. Yellow on the bottom and red on the top, and pink is the window and the door, like that. And Barat house, the color of Barat house is blue. See the 4K now, KaFam?
Like our painting.
It's beautiful. So very nice and so very pretty and so very beautiful.
That's it?
No. 4K, Nanay and Claire. Oh, I'm so nervous to write our name. Like 4K, Nanay and Claire. Heart and kiss. Mwah.
Slowly.
Thank you, KaFam, for supporting Nanay and Claire. Thank you for all the love, KaFam. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Bye-bye. Please comment and